Alam mo yung feeling na ang ganda ng phone mo pero yung tempered glass may itim sa gilid? Parang may frame pa sa frame. Eto na guys, may nakita ako dito sa TikTok, Wiskin tempered glass na walang black border. Ang linis ng packaging niya, premium yung feel. Inside the box, syempre may alcohol wipes, dry wipes, dust removal sticker at syempre yung tempered glass niya mismo. What I like is nakasealed talaga yung glass, meaning protected siya from dust bago mo pa siya i-install. Now let's talk about the build quality. This tempered glass is made of 9H hardness Japanese Asahi glass. So yes, legit is scratch-free resistant. Ito na yung part na nakakakaba yung pag-install. Pero sa Wiskin, made it super easy. Follow mo lang yung steps. Siyempre, gagamitin mo muna yung alcohol wipe. Then, follow mo yung dry wipe. And then, use dust sticker para i-sure mo na wala talagang matatrap na particle. Yan. And then, ilagay mo lang tong pinaka tempered glass niya. Follow mo lang yung step 1. Hilahin mo tong plastic. Step 2, i-wipe mo siya, ididiin mo siya, and then step 3, pataas para madikit na yung tempered glass niya. Wiskin gives you premium quality, easy installation, ultra clear clarity, fingerprint resistant coating, full view, no black border design. Ibig sabihin, makikita mo yung buong display, no hidden pixels, no cut of edges. Kung pagod ka na sa bulky looking tempered glass, this is worth a try. Kaya check out na guys sa Yellow.